How to fix Roblox Studio publish failed error on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your PC and then open Settings. In Settings, click on Network and Internet. In Network and Internet, simply scroll down in Status and click on Network Reset. Then click on Reset Now. After your network is restarted, click on the search bar at the bottom, search apps and features, and click on it. After you click on apps and feature, in here search for Roblox Studio. After you find Roblox Studio, click on it and uninstall the app. After you've uninstalled the app, simply open Chrome. In Chrome, search for Roblox Studio download and download Roblox Studio. Again, make sure you're downloading from the official Roblox website. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Roblox Studio publish failed error on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.